Oh yeah.
Scoot over. Finally.
We are almost done with day one of travel.
But Chick-fil-A makes it better.
It does, and we're far enough south that they have strawberry frosted lemonades here, which we've not had in a long time, probably a year almost.
Has it been that long? No. Glacier National Park had it.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, Kalispell.
Oh, okay. So at least 6 months.
Yeah.
So we're excited about that.
Too
Kids
long.
are playing. Recap for the day, we've been on the road for 8 hours now.
Oh, no.
We drove 5 hours last night, which we were on our way to Texas. Nobody knows, big surprise. Kids still don't know, they think we're going to Utah. We're going to boondock somewhere tonight, hopefully pull into Lexington onto Andrew's parents' property tomorrow around lunchtime and let the surprises begin. So we're excited.
Let the sleep begin.
Today, it's been a game changer, our new rig. Let's talk about that real quick. I have not packed any car snacks. We did grab a couple snacks at the gas station, but I was able to go in, being able to access through that slide, fully access our refrigerator, heat up lunch
With
in
the
the
microwave.
No
generator.
No generator, anything. We just used our Battleborn batteries that are being charged by the solar panel. What kind of system is it called?
Advanced Energy Electrical System.
And it is amazing. I can already tell you it's going to be such a game changer.
Future Solutions out of Goshen. Put it all in. It's a phenomenal system. The batteries, the solar panels, all the chargers, the inverters. It's insane.
I just used it for maybe 10 minutes to get lunch for everyone, and it made life so much easier. It's going to be great for this lifestyle for us for sure. So we're excited about that.
This yours?
Yes. Travel days are just going to be easier. I can already tell. It's just really nice having that outdoor kitchen. Once we get everything moved in and settled, I'll be able to have that stocked with snacks too.
But it's not just that. I'm less stressed because I don't have to worry about the batteries being charged. I don't have to worry about, all right, do I have enough power to get the slides out, or the generator, or do I have to start it? Is it are we pulling in at 10 o'clock at night and I got to jack with the generator? I don't have to do that anymore. We're literally pull in and we're set up.
So it's good. It's been a good system. It's been a good day. As soon as we made it back to Texas, we hit the ground running with projects. Andrew worked so much outside on the farm. He planted new grass, worked on fence, worked cattle, and got a ton of stuff done. We hopped around from doing farm projects to camper renovation projects. We ripped out the couch in the office and Andrew built a custom bunk bed for Corbin and with little dresser storage doors for the boys. We also took down all the valances and added our own custom curtains, and we could not be any happier with the way everything turned out. We are so happy we decided to come home and celebrate the holidays with our families. It was such a sweet time to catch up with friends, visit our families, and just enjoy some downtime being home. The boys decorated Christmas cookies, played outside, and made just the sweetest memories, and we will treasure them forever. It's a windy day.
Very windy.
2019.
Nope, 2020.
2020. January 9th. 10th. We are leaving first thing in the morning tomorrow.
If all goes well, hopefully.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed. We're supposed to have a hailstorm tonight, so.
And we gotta wash the camper still.
And we gotta wash the camper. A few minor details. But we are getting our new camper prepared, and this is one of our final details. We are putting our new map on there to track our states.
We had a map on our other one, and it didn't come off well. So, bought a new map.
Yep.
We'll
Start
catch you up to where we've been.
Saving the best for last. Home sweet home.
Bam.
Probably gonna cry. You ready, Bubba? Not yet?
I'm not ready.
Taking a picture. Is it video?
Wow.
Or picture?
Bloopers, bloopers. No, it's definitely. Yeah, it's counting.
Yeah, but it's got a camera right there.
Is it the camera?
True story. But normally it has a video camera.
I think it's a video.
Huh?
I think it's a video camera.
Oh yeah, it is. It's got the play button. We're off! Where are we going? We don't know either.
We don't know. Oh man.
We have no clue. What do you want to ask me, baby?
No.
We've been on the road for 15 seconds. He's asking for snacks. Of course, I'm for you snacks. Y'all can have your water bottles, okay? Yeah. You can each have a brownie.
Alrighty, so the plan. Come on, Brent.
I didn't want a brownie.
Okay, I'll take one. Is there one more left?
Alright, so the plan is to head west. That's the extent of the plan. So we're leaving on a Saturday at 5:09, and we're trying to make it somewhere west tonight. And then tomorrow, we're going to try to drive some more west and end in a western destination.
We have no clue. We have not looked at a map.
Daddy.
I don't even know what highway we're taking. And
We're headed towards Arizona eventually.
eventually we're going to get to Quartzsite. We're going to stay there for a little bit, and then we're going to, we have some friends to visit next. So we'll be doing a friend circle after that, kind of visiting some people, and then we have literally no plans.
No plans.
So,
Hopefully we
what do y'all want to do this year? You want to ride your dirt bike? You're going to get lots of that in Utah.
I want my new bike.
You want to ride your new bike? So our one plan that we do know is we're going to boondock as much as possible.
We are going to do that.
If we could boondock the whole year, that would be epic. That's kind of like my hidden goal.
It's not very hidden, is it?
We'll see if it happens or not. Just like my inside goal. Like I hope it happens, but gotta be realistic too. But if we could do it, that'd be awesome.
But we're definitely set up for it with the 8 Battleborn batteries. We've got the solar panels, the 2 3,000 watt inverters that Future Cells or Future Solutions up in Indiana installed. So between those, from the power side of the equation, we've got 66 gallons on board of water. We have another 60-gallon water bladder, and in addition to our 40 or so gallons of black, we've got another 28-gallon portable black tank. So if we need, if we get to buy and we need to dump, then that'll handle that side of it. So I think we'll be good. I'm excited.
I'm excited. So what's something you want to do this year? Where do you really, really want to go?
I'd like to do Moab and Arches.
Moab and Arches.
Utah's my kind of deal.
Yeah. I want to explore Washington some more and Oregon. I love those states. I want to go to Idaho, and I really would love to dabble into the Midwest a little bit, to Michigan again if we can. Those are places that we went to, and I was just not ready to leave every time we left. year.
Whoever wants to go to Alaska.
We will. We just don't. Not this year, buddy. But we will go back for sure. Either 21 or 22, maybe.
Now we
Oh
go
yeah.
back.
Here we go.
And we're off.
We're off.
Now we go back to home.
Pictures for me. Take some pictures.
Look at that.
What? That's a good one.
Now, what's this? Look at.
What?
I can pick something now.
That's a beautiful one.
Whoa!
What?
Take a picture.
We made it to Guadalupe Mountains National Park, and although it was insanely windy, it was so beautiful, and we are so happy that we decided to make the stop. Can't wait to see where you take us, 2020.